Hello, everyone. Welcome to this B2 level English learning podcast.
Before we start, let me ask you something.
Have you ever tried to describe someone in English and suddenly realized you sound like you are reading a police report?
You know what we mean.
You say things like tall, black hair, brown eyes.
And that is it. Description finished.
Many English learners describe people exactly like a checklist of facts.
But native speakers usually do not describe people that way.
Right. Instead of listing facts, they create a picture.
They talk about personality, energy, and the feeling of being around that person.
So here's the real question.
How do native speakers actually describe people naturally in English?
And what makes a description sound vivid, interesting, and memorable?
That is exactly what we will explore today.
In this podcast, we will talk about three things: how to describe appearance naturally,
How to describe personality in a richer way.
and how to make your descriptions vivid and engaging.
This episode is perfect for English learners, ESL learners, and anyone at the A2 to B2 level who wants to sound more natural when speaking English.
So grab a coffee
Get comfortable.
and let us begin. Maya, can I try something with you?
That depends. What are you planning?
I want to describe a person, and I want you to tell me honestly if I did a good job.
All right, go for it.
Okay, she is tall, she has black hair, she has brown eyes, she is thin.
Jake, that sounds like a police description.
Exactly. That is what my English teacher told me.
The problem is simple. People are not just a list of features.
Exactly.
When native speakers describe someone, they create an image. They talk about personality, energy, behavior, and the feeling of being around that person.
That is the difference between a checklist and a real description. Let us start with height. Many learners only say tall, short, average height, but you can say much more. Example, he is quite tall, well over 6 feet. She is on the shorter side, but she has an energy that fills the whole room.
See the difference? Now you are not just giving information, you are creating a picture.
Your word choice matters a lot. For example, slim, slender, lean, athletic, well-built, stocky, petite, curvy. Each word creates a different image.
Slim sounds elegant. Lean sounds sporty. Stocky sounds strong and solid. Petite sounds small and delicate. Hair can also say a lot about a person. Instead of saying only black hair, brown hair, long hair, you can say something more vivid. She has thick bark hair. She keeps it in a loose bun. He has very short hair, almost shaved.
Or imagine someone with wild, curly red hair. It makes the person look energetic and full of life.
Eyes are very expressive. You can describe color: brown, blue, green, hazel. But you can also describe emotion: warm eyes, kind eyes, sharp eyes, curious eyes. Warm eyes make people feel comfortable. Sharp eyes make someone look intelligent and focused. This is where descriptions become powerful. Instead of basic words like nice, good, friendly, use richer vocabulary. Examples: warm, generous, kind-hearted, thoughtful. For funny people, you can say witty, hilarious, quick with a joke. How someone moves also tells a story. For example, she walks with quiet confidence. He has restless energy. He is always moving and thinking. These small details make descriptions feel alive. Jake, can you give us a full example?
Sure. She is medium height, maybe slightly taller than average. Her face is open and warm. You feel comfortable immediately. Her dark eyes are curious and attentive. She speaks with a calm and natural rhythm. She laughs often, and her laugh is genuine. When you talk to her, it feels like you are the most important person in the room.
Jake, are you describing me?
Maybe.
Did you notice something? Jake did not just list facts. He connected appearance with personality. That is what makes a description feel real. People are not just features. They are a feeling. Here is your challenge. Think about someone important in your life. Describe that person in English. Not a checklist, a portrait. Describe how they look and how you feel when you are with them. Write it in the comments. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like and subscribe. and share this podcast with someone who is learning English. Next time, we will learn how to describe places in English, because people and places together create stories. I am Jake. And I am Maya. This is the English Boost Zone. See you next time.